Hello, hello, welcome to my garage. If you're not aware, I work for Tern Bicycles, and today I'm building up a Tern Node D7i, which is one of our 24-inch city bike commuters. I love this bike. Building it up, I have some photos and video I need to take of it. I thought it was a perfect opportunity to take you for a bike ride to one of my favorite coffee shops in East Denver, which is Pablo's Coffee. So let me get this bike built and we'll go to coffee. Side note, I don't know how the daily vloggers like walk around with their heavy cameras all day long. Like, this is actually my nicer camera, Sony A7C, but one of the reasons I love using the GoPro is I can hold it up a lot. This is gonna work on my muscles. What lifting exercise do I need to do? So Cody, Levi, are there any like daily vlogging exercises you do? I guess it would be just this exercise. I could start using a kettlebell. If you see me later this summer and I have one arm that's ripped, you'll know that I stuck with this videoing. All right, let me clean up and get this bike built. There's a lot of noise outside, so I'm putting my headphones on and going to get this bike built.
There's plenty of time. Never your fault when bridges may burn. Got the right rhymes, yeah. But no words when you miss the turn. The end is on its way. There isn't any place to escape it. No.
About 10 years ago, Michelin made a bunch of tire levers, and they're my favorite thing for scraping off stickers. So you can see it has just a little lip, and it's perfect for scraping off stickers. So Michelin, remake these tire levers, but also market them to sticker folks.
We feel like flowers every moment. Spend all our time fixing what's broken. Let's live for now. Let's live for now. Now. Don't leave another word unspoken.
This is probably a good time to mention that if you buy a Tern bike, typically they will be coming from a Tern authorized dealer. I work for Tern and I make marketing for Tern, so I have to build the bikes, and I am a trained, certified, insured mechanic. I feel like I should have thrown that disclaimer on earlier, but there it is.
No more excuses on my flowers. Take the Lord's hand. The end is on its way. The end is on its way.
That is a dynamo light. I'll link above and below to a dynamo light basics video I did, but basically when you roll, it generates energy out of the front hub and powers your front and rear light. Pretty cool, right? I realized as I was putting my camera away, my microphones, one of them had died. So I don't know how much audio I got from that bike build. Grabbing this little video micro. I don't prefer the sound out of this, but it doesn't require any batteries. So I'm gonna throw this in the bag. A lot of folks have been asking me about this light up helmet. Really cool. I'm not done with the review yet, but nutcase, if you watch this, these visors do not stay on. So I'm gonna super glue it in later tonight because I love the visors, so I don't have to wear sunglasses with my glasses, but they're always popping out. Magnetic buckle, MIPS fit, which is supposed to be better helmet safety technology. Can't forget the ride pocket. So we're on the same greenway as yesterday, but headed the other direction. This greenway runs west to east through Central Park. We're headed west. We're riding up to the intersection of Montview and Syracuse. And Syracuse is one of the biggest misses of bike lanes that Denver has done. So this street right here is Montview, and this is the main way cyclists get to Anschutz Medical Campus, where the Children's Hospital, University of Colorado, the VA hospital, just basic bike lanes. Huge miss, parking on the side. And then you're gonna see a terrible, terrible bike lane in a moment. Gets a little bit bigger. This is a decent sized bike lane, but I would love to be on the inside of these cars with a barrier. Well, here's Pablo's, but they now are closing at 2. Oh, so sad. So I'm in this alley to take photos and videos of this Node D7i for Tern, but I'm really excited about this bike. I love it. It's one of my favorite acoustic or non-electric bikes that Tern sells. So let me show you why I'm so stoked on it. One of the first things you might notice is that it has bigger wheels. These are 24-inch. So Tern makes folding bikes in 20, 24, and 26-inch wheels. All of our electric bikes are 20-inch. 24-inch Schwalbe Big Apples, great city riding tires. The reason I like 24-inch is because most people don't need the smallest compact bike. You know, I have the Tern BYB for traveling and for packing it up quickly and putting it in plane. But other than that, I have a garage, we have a minivan, and I just need a compact bike that I can store away, that's one size fits most. But the 24-inch rides so much more smoothly, so especially in the city, it's not as jarring, not as bouncy. And then this one is really focused on city biking, so we have a dynamo front hub, which connects to the front light and rear light. Then you have an internally geared hub with a chain protector. So just really clean, and I couldn't get your pants dirty. All of the logos that you see here in silver are reflective throughout. Comes with fenders, the dynamo lights, rear rack, really comfy sweatback handlebar. This is available aftermarket if you're interested. And I couldn't pull it out right now. I can make a separate video. But in this seat post, there is a pump. Yes, a pump to inflate your tires. So you have lights, you have fenders, you have a pump. To really get going on this bike, you just need a lock and then tubes and tire levers and I guess a helmet. But you have everything else for a great, great, great city commuter. Fenders, lights, internally geared hub, really durable Schwalbe tires. And then it's one size fits most, like all of our bikes. So you can share it with anybody in your family, and that way if you really don't need a commuter bike for everyone, and you just want something that anyone can hop onto. I'm just taking a break here in the middle of the alley. It's a very clean alley. That was the Node D7i. I'll put a link below. It honestly blows my mind how well Tern designs, their bikes, just really thought out designs, down to this rear rack has a bungee cord built into it. Like, just crazy little details with great price points, just to get more people out on their bike with less barriers and less excuses. All right, I'm gonna finish my work before it gets really hot out here, and yeah, thanks for joining me on another day in the life of Arleigh Greenwald. Stay well. I'll see you in the next video.